In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit categories in QuickBooks Online's chart of accounts. Whether you're reorganizing your financial records or updating your account details, this process is straightforward and essential for maintaining accurate bookkeeping. So, let's get started on managing your accounts more efficiently. First, we'll need to navigate to the Transactions section, which you can find on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. Once you're there, look for the Chart of Accounts tab. This is your gateway to all the categories you're currently using within your accounting setup. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts already established, each representing different categories and types that your business transactions fall under. Now, to edit the category of a specific account, locate the account you wish to modify. You'll notice a small caret icon located next to the account name. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal additional options related to that account, including, more importantly, the option to edit it. Once you've clicked the caret icon, you'll see the Edit option appear. Click on Edit to proceed. This brings you into the Detailed section where you can make changes to important information about the account. Within this screen, you're able to edit the account name, the account type category, and even the detail type associated with it. Each of these fields allows you to tailor and better define the specifics of your account, ensuring that your bookkeeping aligns with the nuances of your business operations. As you work on editing these details, consider how each piece of information reflects in your financial reports. The account type and detail type can significantly affect how transactions are categorized and reported, so make sure they accurately represent the nature of the transactions they're meant to track. After you've made the necessary changes, simply click on the Save button. This action will ensure that all the adjustments you've made are applied and will reflect in your account listings going forward. And just like that, you're done. With these edits complete, you've successfully updated your category settings, ensuring your chart of accounts remains organized and precise. And that's all for today. See how simple and effective managing your categories in QuickBooks Online can be? Keeping your chart of accounts updated ensures that your financial records are always accurate and reflective of your current business activities. Thank you for joining in today, and I hope this helps you or your business keep your financial data clear and concise. Remember to check back for more tips and tutorials on using QuickBooks Online to its fullest potential.